Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a powerful AI tool that has been getting a lot of attention, GPT Apps Engine Gamma. If you've ever wanted to build your own AI apps, start your own SaaS business, or offer AI-powered services without touching a single line of code, this video is definitely for you. We'll walk you through what it is, how it works, its features, pricing, and whether it's worth adding to your digital toolbox. Before we get started, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. It really helps us grow and bring you more honest reviews, tutorials, and money-making tools. And if you want to check out GPT Apps Engine Gamma yourself, the link is right there in the description below. GPT Apps Engine Gamma is a complete no-code AI app creation platform and bundle designed to help anyone, beginners, entrepreneurs, marketers, freelancers, or agencies, build fully functional AI apps in minutes. Instead of spending months hiring developers, learning complex programming languages, or dealing with hosting and backend setups, this bundle gives you a ready-made system where everything is already done for you. You simply choose a template, customize it, and publish. It's built to make AI app creation as simple as filling out a form. This Gamma bundle also goes beyond a typical app builder. It includes white label rights, commercial rights, and over 270+ done-for-you AI app templates, which means you can brand the apps as your own and resell them as a service to clients or businesses. It essentially gives you the building blocks to launch your own AI SaaS business without any technical skills. Whether you want to create chatbots, marketing tools, content assistants, business copilots, or niche-specific AI tools, GPT Apps Engine Gamma gives you a massive library to work with, making it a complete AI business in a box. GPT Apps Engine Gamma comes packed with 270+ done-for-you AI app templates, covering almost every niche and use case you can think of, from content creation tools and marketing assistants to chatbots, e-commerce helpers, customer support copilots, and business automation apps. Instead of starting from scratch, you simply pick a template that matches your idea, customize the prompts and branding, and your app is ready. This massive library is one of the biggest advantages of the Gamma bundle and saves hours of planning, designing, and building. Another standout feature is the white label and commercial licensing, which allows you to fully rebrand the apps as your own. You can change the name, logo, colors, and domain, making it look like a tool you built from the ground up. With commercial rights included, you're allowed to sell these apps, offer them as paid services, or use them inside a client's business. For agencies, freelancers, and consultants, this essentially turns GPT Apps Engine Gamma into a ready-made AI product factory. The platform also offers incredibly simple no-code customization and training tools. You can train your AI apps using your own data, upload documents, and guide the output to match a brand's personality or niche audience. Whether you want to create a writing assistant that sounds like your brand, a niche-specific chatbot for a client, or a business copilot with custom knowledge, the system's training feature makes it possible, without needing developers, APIs, or manual coding. Additionally, GPT Apps Engine Gamma includes useful extras like AI image and video generators, a landing page builder, embeddable widgets, multilingual support, lead generation tools, and a one-click publish system. Everything works together inside one platform, so you don't need multiple subscriptions to different AI apps. The bundle even includes done-for-you SaaS businesses you can launch instantly, making it one of the most complete and beginner-friendly toolkits in the AI app creation space. GPT Apps Engine Gamma works through a simple, beginner-friendly 3-step process designed to help you build AI apps quickly without any technical skills. First, you start by choosing a template from the massive library of done-for-you AI app blueprints. These templates cover almost every niche: content creation, marketing, customer service, productivity, business automation, and more. Once you pick the template you want, you can customize the prompts, adjust the behavior of the AI, upload your own data for training, and change the styling, branding, and layout to match your needs. Everything is drag and drop and guided, making the setup extremely easy even for complete beginners. After customizing your app, the final step is publishing. With just one click, your app becomes fully functional, hosted, and ready to use or sell. You can embed it on your website using a simple copy-paste code, share it as a standalone link, or brand it under your own domain if you're building a SaaS. The platform also provides tools for lead generation, client delivery, and white label rebranding, allowing you to launch your own AI-powered products or offer custom-built AI tools as a service. In short, the process is designed to take you from idea to live app in minutes, with no coding or complex setup required. The GPT Apps Engine Gamma bundle is currently available as a limited-time offer that gives you access to all its products and features for a single, low one-time fee. By using the discount coupon SAVE100, you can instantly take $100 off the regular price, making it even more affordable. The main bundle price is listed at $367, which includes lifetime access to the core products along with several premium add-ons such as Elite, Enterprise, Traffic, Agency packages, and Fast Action bonuses, a combined value of over $1,162. The offer is designed to give you everything you need to create, launch, and sell AI apps without any recurring fees, monthly charges, or hidden costs. What makes this pricing particularly attractive is that it packs incredible value into a one-time payment. The bundle also comes with a 30-day 100% money-back guarantee, which means you can try it risk-free and see for yourself how easy it is to build AI apps, white-label them, and even start offering services to clients. Whether you're a freelancer, entrepreneur, or small business owner, this pricing structure makes GPT Apps Engine Gamma an accessible option to start leveraging AI technology for business growth without the burden of ongoing subscriptions. And that's a wrap-up of our detailed look at GPT Apps Engine Gamma. This powerful no-code AI app bundle gives you everything you need to build, customize, and sell AI-powered apps in minutes, without any technical skills. From hundreds of ready-made templates to white label and commercial rights, plus AI training, embeddable apps, and premium bonus tools, it's designed to help entrepreneurs, freelancers, and agencies launch their own AI products or offer services to clients with ease. If you want to explore GPT Apps Engine Gamma for yourself, the link is in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more honest reviews, tutorials, and tools that can help you grow your online business. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.